welcome to the channel. Today I have the May 2024 box to spoil for you for the Allure beauty box. Sorry, I do this in one take, so what you get is what you get. But this is going to be the spoilers for the May box. I will give you a little bit more information later. I try to pull up any information from any websites and I'm able to provide you any reviews. And then this is going to be the first time I'm looking at any of that information, so that'll be my first impression. This is a monthly subscription box. I do have a link below if you want to subscribe. It'll get you some money off of your first box. I think I get a coupon for referring you, but I typically don't use the coupon. It's just there to save you money. The coupon is like for the store, and I don't buy anything because I'm overwhelmed with products right now. And then on top of that, there is a Rakuten cashback, and I do have a link below for Rakuten. It's going to be a personal referral link. If you want to get additional cashback, definitely consider clicking through there. But you will get $5 cash back from making your purchase on Allure Beauty Box. I personally have an annual subscription, and I have been skipping when I don't find that the products are going to be a good fit for me. If you do subscribe right now, you are going to get the April box, which is right here, and I did unbox that on my channel, so definitely consider looking around, and I have spoiler information for that box as well. There's additional information I wanted to provide you for the member store. They just launched this new box called the Reader's Choice Award Winners Box. It's available for $99 for members. It does look like it's a pretty good box, but again, I don't really buy these extra things just because I'm overwhelmed right now with all of the stuff I have. So let me just get started here. So the Allure Beauty Box is a mix between full-size and sample-size products. So these are going to be the 6 items. And again, I'm going to pull up some additional information for you as I go along. The first product that they spoiled is this Chris Appleton plus Color Wow Money Mask for super glossy, expensive looking hair. So this is going to be a before and after. And I mean, if it gives me those highlights, maybe I want it. That was an aside. I'm not making any claims, so it'd just be cool. Actually, no, I look terrible in highlights. My high school pictures will attest to that. But it has blue sea kale, Mediterranean sea kelp and algae blend, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein complex. Let me scroll down. The full size is going to be $45, and the one in the box is actually going to be this mini size, which is $15. Sorry about the pop-up. And it's going to be 1.7 ounces or 50 mLs. So this is the Allure 2022 Best of Beauty Award winner. It's vegan, hydrating, good for frizz. And this is the information here. So it has Mediterranean-derived marine actives to deliver super glossy, supple, and inexpensive looking hair. And it's a mask. And then I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And then here is the information with the full ingredients list for you. Definitely take a closer look if you have any sensitivities or anything like that. And then you use it once per week or every 3 shampoos. Remove excess moisture from hair, apply the mask generously, leave or comb through to distribute evenly, leave on 3 to 5 minutes or up to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as desired. If you do hair masks, let me know how you do it. Do you do it when you're in the shower? Because how do you wait 20 minutes? Or do you do it and then you like rinse it off in the sink? I don't know. I'm not very well versed in how to care for my hair. Okay, so anyway, 4.3 stars with 447 reviews, 83% would recommend. This is the info here. And it looks like I don't have to go very far. So what I like to do is I find the highest reviews and the lowest reviews, and I usually do it by like the most recent. So by that I mean sorting by the most recent. So it says here, I bought the mini and ended up loving it so much that I had to get the big size. The mask left my hair so soft, smooth, and feeling super healthy. Staple for me now, 5 stars. This person says, horrible, don't waste your money. It's the worst mask I've ever used. Pantene is better than this stuff. Not worth the money. This product smells so good, but honestly did nothing for my hair. I found products at a much cheaper price point that add way more shine to my hair. So anyway, it doesn't tell you anything about the texture of these people's hair, so I don't know. Do some additional research, but that's what I got for you for that one. The next one is going to be this Elmus product. So this looks like there'll be a full-size product. So this is from Elmus. I got the info from Amazon. It's a Elmus Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream, Reviving Eye Cream. It's 0.5 ounces, and it's about a $47.50 value. I think the other sites had it as $50. I think it's on discount right now. But let me scroll down. It's the all-in-one eye cream. appear well rested by morning. Hydrating eye cream targets tired and overworked eyes to improve appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. I definitely need that. Peptide 4 is designed using advanced molecular biology, inspired by circadian circadian rhythms. Yeast peptide helps support the skin's own synchronized internal clock. It has arvensis. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a bespoke flower. It has omega-3 fatty acids and stearidonic acid. And then the night-scented stalk, a delicate flower, rich source of vitamin E, essential fatty acids. So I would say that most of the Elmus products I've tried are pretty scented. I've never tried this product, so if you've tried this product, let me know if it's scented. But it says use every morning and evening. Apply a rice grain-sized amount to each ring finger and pat around the delicate eye area. That's very small. I'm wondering what kind of rice, because like a wild rice is pretty big compared to like, you know, a short grain white rice. But let me keep going on. Let's see here. The information is here. So again, this is from Amazon because I wanted to give you the most robust rating numbers, number of ratings rather. But when you buy stuff from Amazon, you know, take it with a grain of salt, especially for skincare and makeup. So this print says nice eye cream, good for mild puffiness. Bought it for puffiness under the eye. Helps with mild puffiness, hydrating, taps in well, absorbs nicely. Pretty good. Haven't seen any visible difference in my under eye area. Not sure if it works. Something fishy here. Oh, okay, that's about the smell. So maybe it's a smell, maybe they got a bum product. I don't know. Yeah, a lot of people say that it smells like fish, so I'm not sure. Somebody said that they got zits around their eyes. So again, if you have any other experience, let us know below, because I'm actually kind of interested in this product, but I don't want a fishy smell around my eyes. So I'm not sure, again, if this is an Amazon product issue or if it's the product itself also has a fishy scent. I'm going to move on to the next product, and this is going to be this one here. So this is from Bloom Effects. So let me scroll down. Sorry, they had more information. So this is from Bloom Effects, and it's in the shade Crispa Coral. From what I was able to gather, it looks like that might be a new kind of shade. Sorry, my steam heat is popping on here. But this is going to just be the information about the Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm in general. These particular shade is again that Crispa Coral, so it's kind of this kind of mauve-y orange kind of shade. So let me pull up the info here. So actually, they don't have it for sale on the Credo Beauty website, but they do have the swatches here, so you can see it on 3 different skin tones. Honestly, they look all pretty similar to me, because that's also like, you're not going to leave it like that on your face. You're going to like buff it out a little bit. Anyway, this is, I don't know what that's supposed to show, but it's a creamy dual lip and cheek tint available in 3 universal blendable shades for your subtle yet buildable pop of color to lips and cheeks, $29 value. And let me scroll down. It's for all skin types. It's a skincare makeup hybrid to add beauty routine to effortlessly achieve no makeup look. It has proprietary Dutch tulip complex, rich in antioxidants, natural moisturizing factors, and amino acids, produces softer, smoother, glowing, hydrated skin. And then it has 2 forms of hyaluronic acid. And then it has jojoba seed oil, shea butter, peptides, collagen boosting complex, and Eclipta prostata extract, neem lift extract, and Moringa oleifera seed extract. So definitely take a closer look at those because I definitely butchered those words. But let me scroll down. Hopefully they have the info here. Yeah. Okay. So these ones say nice color but drying. This one says, not a personal favorite, bright pink formula just doesn't work well with my lips and skin. I find it sits heavily on my lips, especially, and isn't the most flattering. This person says, so rich and bright yet. Little bit hard to control how much you get out. So my only issue is the packaging, just because the tube is a little hard to maneuver without over applying. So this is the info, but it looks like mixed reviews there. So definitely consider kind of looking through the different shades, whether or not it'd be a good fit for you, etc. And again, the only shade that's going to be available is that Crispa Coral, which is that medium one that looked kind of like mauve-y orange to me, but I'm not the best at color distinguishings. So the next item is going to be a perfume. So it's a small sample size, as you can see here. Like it's one of those little squirter tubes. But this is from the Wilhelm Parfumerie. It's the Poets of Berlin Eau de Parfum. It looks like the full size is a dang $250. So I'm wondering if this is, let me see. I didn't even see there were options. No, this looks bigger than what's going to be in the box, in my personal opinion. But it just maybe is because the packaging is different. But the 20 milliliter size looks like it's $95. It says a Bowie State of Mind. I don't know what that means. So let me know if you know what that means, because is that talking about David Bowie? Or is it something else? I don't know. My lack of pop culture kind of ruins me sometimes, because I'm like, well, I think that's maybe referring to that, but I don't know. It says, Berlin, a city that is alive with the same kinetic, magnetic energy, yeah, it does talk about David Bowie, that attracted David Bowie for a few formative, recuperative, and prolific years in the 70s, perpetual creative movement embodied in a bold collision of blueberry, sorry, I don't like blueberry. I'm actually allergic to blueberry, but of blueberry, lemon, bamboo green, wild orris, and Haitian vetiver. So the top note is blueberry, the middle is vanilla, and the bottom is vetiver. I'm not sure if this will be a good fit for me, but let me know what a green wild orris scent is. But this is the ingredients list. Not that it's super helpful, but figured I would show it. And you can apply it to your skin. So overall, 4.8 stars with 18 reviews. Wow, that's expensive for how small that is. But maybe this is a good deal if you're into perfumes and you want to try it out before you go all in on a $250 bottle. This person says 4 stars. I'm not one to try perfumes, but this is a game changer. It's light yet a bit musky, and one spritz goes a long way. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it too. The scent is gorgeous. Vanilla is one of my favorite scents. Combined with lemon and blueberry, scent is perfect. Or say, perfume is perfect. The scent is a little strong. A little goes a long way, but is not overpowering at all. Lasts all day. Has such a unique scent and is highly recommended. Okay, so that is good reviews there, in my opinion. The next item is going to be this from Mud Masky. We have been seeing Mud Masky kind of frequently, in my opinion, but this is going to be the product. I don't know why it's not showing up. Oh, it's a small thing. It's the hand mask. So this is going to be nourishing, affirming, hydrating, revitalizing, anti-aging. And it has local, organic French sunflower, sweet almond oil. Oh, I'm allergic to sweet almond oil. Tocopherol, vitamin E, and vegan glycerin. Is non-sticky, locks in moisture, and also possible for day use. So for $55 value for it. This is kind of like a not Danish, Dutch brand. It's from Amsterdam, but 3.67 out of 5 with only 3 reviews. So it looks like this is a relatively newish product from what I was able to gather. I couldn't find it on any other website except for the direct Mud Masky website. 40 mLs, 1.35 fluid ounces, and it says, indulge in the ultimate overnight pampering experience with our midnight hand mask. Drift into blissful slumber and awaken to hands that feel as soft as velvet and visibly renewed. Luxurious hand mask is meticulously crafted to deeply nourish and hydrate your skin while you sleep, ensuring you wake up to hands that feel pampered and rejuvenated. Unlike ordinary hand moisturizers that simply coat the skin's surface, our midnight hand mask goes beyond the basics. While typical hand creams may provide temporary relief, our innovative formula works to deeply penetrate the skin, delivering lasting hydration and nourishment through the night. Certified clean from over 1,000 chemicals, this is made in France. It's non-sticky, locks in moisture, and is possible for day use. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this box, to be honest. Let me know what you think below. But it's nourishing, firming, hydrating, revitalizing, anti-aging, the ingredients list here. So I'm wondering, it does have sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil. It just says perfume and fragrance. So I'm going to have to take a little bit closer look when I'm not recording to see. Whenever places say it's a night mask for relaxation, I always assume that it means lavender scented, in which case I'm not a fan. But that's just a personal preference. I don't really like those flower smells. But that is the info I got for you. Let me see if it says anywhere. Honestly, it stinks that this is so small. It doesn't say if there is a scent or anything. But I mean, there is a fragrance in the ingredients list. So let me see if the reviews have anything. Received my order yesterday after a slightly prolonged wait. Okay. I like this hand mask, which is more of a light cream. Unlike many hand creams I've tried before, it's a wonderfully light texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Scent is personally appealing to me, adding to the overall experience. Not cheap, but worth it. Best hand cream I have ever bought. It isn't that big for the price. You would expect more. I recently received the hand cream I ordered yesterday, and it arrived promptly today. I must say I appreciate the non-sticky, lightweight consistency. It feels great on the skin. However, while I enjoy the product's performance, I'm not particularly fond of the scent. I'm wondering if there are plans to introduce a neutral odor option in the future. So very interested to know what the scent is, because there's been 2 comments about that, so I'm wondering if it is kind of prominent. And then I'm going to go to the final product, which is going to be this one here. So for my eyes, which are not the best to be honest, it looks like it's going to be this exfoliating shower gel. I can tell you it says shower gel on it, but I can't tell if it's the exfoliating one, but it looks like in the image here that there are little chunky floater thingies in there, so it looks like this one might be it. But not 100% sure. This is from Ecos, and this one is, I think somebody left a comment, I think it's this brand that is like the Brazilian Bath & Body Works, something like that, like kind of like a road shop, mall shop sort of bath products, but it's a replenishing exfoliating shower gel, and this one in the box is going to be a sample size. It's like a little squeeze tube, so it will not be the full size from my understanding, but let me show you this. It has a floral fragrance that combines creamy yet fruity extract of the exotic Takuma pulp with rustic, woody, and warm amber finish. And then let me scroll down. It's a regenerative biocosmetic line with dual action. The butter boosts the natural production of hyaluronic acid, while the crude oil protects against the loss of it, refilling the skin down to the deepest layers. Powerful anti-signs agent. Oh, sorry, my brain. It's a powerful anti-signs treatment for your body that truly regenerates the Amazon and you. Not sure what that sentence means, which is why it was so difficult for me to read. Gently cleanses and exfoliates, acts as anti-signs. I don't know what anti-signs means. For the body, maintains natural pH, made with natural exfoliating particles, 100% vegan, 94% natural, and 0% silicone. And let me scroll down. So I guess that's the Takuma. And then gently cleanse and exfoliate dead skin cells with the exfoliating shower gel, which is, again, I think what we're getting in the box. 94% natural skin smoothing vegan shower gel blended with replenishing Takuma oil and natural exfoliating particles from the maracuja seeds. So I'm wondering, because I am editing my German vlogs right now, so if you like the vlogs, my Germany trip vlogs are coming out. And I learned in Germany that maracuja means passion fruit, so I'm wondering if this also means passion fruit. Anyway, gently exfoliate while maintaining the skin's natural pH. And this one is not the one. We are not getting the biophase shower gel. It's just the exfoliating shower gel. So let me scroll down. So these are the ingredients. Take a closer look. It does have fragrance added pretty high on the list. And then let me go to most recent reviews. Oops, something happened. I love this stuff. My skin is always soft and smooth after I use it, and it smells good. We'll be purchasing more. They got the shower oil and shower exfoliation duo. Absolutely thrilled with the results. The shower oil is a game changer. Blah, blah, blah. Exfoliating oil. Gentle yet effective formula. Tiny seeds in the oil. Okay, not the oil. Well, I'm not sure how to tell you what the reviews are for this product. Sorry about that. Should have done a little bit of reading. But it does look like, again, that the product is going to be the exfoliating shower gel, based upon my detective skills, which may be lacking because I'm not a detective. But thank you for watching. Let me know what you think I should do about the box. It's not fully a fit, but I'm also kind of interested in trying a handful of the products, so maybe it's worth it. So again, I kind of locked in my price and it was about $19 per box for the annual subscription, so it's kind of worth the risk to me, and not liking the hand mask and the perfume. But Thank you again for watching. Definitely consider subscribing. I will be putting out a lot more vlogs and using it as my creative outlet for my stress relief from my job. But thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.